Welcome to Tampa Bay Fishing Report, your go-to place before you hit the water. Thanks to Tropical Storm Colin, there has been a shortage of shrimp since the shrimping boats have not been able to go out. Hopefully by Friday, there shouldn't be a problem. Before the storm came through, the fishing was great. Joseph Dephillips had a good bite inshore catching trout, snook, and redfish, and also had an awesome bite offshore catching American red snapper. The Spanish Sardine had good luck snapper fishing in the bay and hooked this impressive hogfish. The tarpon seem to have become picky eaters in the past 2 weeks. Increase your chances by casting a variety of bait. Pass crabs and small blue crabs can be found on the outgoing tide or bought from your local marina. If you can't get your hands on live bait, you can always use artificial. I want to give a special thanks to Steve Whitlock for sharing his video of this massive whale shark. Thank you all for sharing your pictures and continuing to grow Tampa Bay Fishing Report.